Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LivU account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your LivU application. As you can see, there is only one way to create your account, that is continue with Google. So tap on continue with Google. Select an account. You can keep your nickname as it is or you can even change it. Here I am going to change it. Select your date of birth. Select your gender. Tap on finish. And that is how you can easily create a LivU account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.